Welcome to AI Pulse for the 27th of March 2026, a briefing for business leaders and their advisors. First up, we're observing a profound and definitive shift in how leading firms are leveraging artificial intelligence, transitioning from a purely defensive posture to an offensive growth strategy. Recent comprehensive reports from financial giants like JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs confirm a critical trend. Investors are no longer solely rewarding multi-billion-dollar firms for merely using AI to cut costs or optimize existing operations. The strategic landscape has fundamentally changed. Inspired by Tony Seba's influential theory of value migration, forward-thinking business leaders are now proactively deploying AI to architect entirely new market categories and forge innovative, outcome-as-a-service revenue models. This isn't just about incremental efficiency. It's about generating net new top-line growth and capturing previously untapped value, fundamentally reshaping industry structures. The strategic imperative is clear. AI must be a catalyst for expansive market creation and competitive differentiation, not just a shield against operational decline. This demands a proactive, visionary approach to technology adoption and business model innovation. A couple of questions to consider today. If your AI strategy only protects your margins but doesn't create a new product, are you innovating or just managing a slower decline? And which of your current services could be collapsed into a single, high-value AI-native outcome by 2027? Second, we are witnessing the rapid and transformative emergence of the AI, agentic manager, as a core role within organizations across all sectors. McKinsey's latest reports are particularly striking, indicating that many progressive firms now run roughly one AI agent for every 2 human employees. This isn't just a minor operational adjustment, it signals a fundamental shift in the very essence of professional skill and what constitutes valuable work. The focus has decisively moved from the manual doing of tasks to the sophisticated orchestration of intent. As futurist Nicholas Badminton aptly predicts, 2026 is solidifying as the year every single employee, from the newest junior associate to the most seasoned CEO, transforms into a manager of digital entities. This means your team's primary value isn't in manual execution, but in their ability to strategically deploy, oversee, and optimize autonomous software agents to achieve complex business objectives. It demands a new kind of leadership, one focused on systemic design, strategic oversight, and the ethical governance of AI workforces. A couple of questions to consider today. Are you still training your team for manual execution when their new job description is actually systemic orchestration? And how do you measure the performance of a manager whose team is 80% autonomous software? Third, organizations are grappling with what's increasingly being termed hallucination debt, leading to a strong and undeniable mandate for verifiable AI. Comprehensive data from industry leaders like Databricks and influential financial publications such as Nikkei reveal a significant surge in the usage of AI governance products this quarter. This uptick isn't a mere coincidence. It reflects a growing frustration and operational bottlenecks as firms hit a wall with unreliable and inconsistent AI outputs. The days of treating AI as a mere, creative toy for experimentation are rapidly fading, replaced by the urgent demand for an hour, industrial-grade tool capable of delivering precision and reliability. Consequently, Fortune 500 companies are now proactively deploying universal semantic layers, unified, immutable sources of truth to ground their AI agents. This strategic move ensures that AI operates on verifiable, consistent data, critically mitigating the risks of misinformation, ensuring regulatory compliance, and enhancing overall trustworthiness. It's about moving from probabilistic guesses to deterministic facts, especially in high-stakes environments. A couple of questions to consider today. Does your organization have a unified data layer clean enough for an AI to navigate without human handholding? And are you prepared for the audit trail requirements when an AI agent makes a high-stakes financial or legal decision? Fourth, we're witnessing a critical pivot toward sovereign intelligence and geopolitical resilience in enterprise AI strategies, as reports from respected global news outlets like Al Jazeera and DW News vividly chronicle the ongoing fracturing of the global tech stack. Large enterprises, particularly those valued at over $3 billion, are responding by strategically building private, localized AI sovereign stacks. This isn't just about data privacy. It's a proactive measure to safeguard against geopolitical instability. The goal is to ensure that a sudden kill switch imposed by a national government or the escalating complexities of a trade war in one region, doesn't cripple global operations. This trend aligns squarely with futurist Amy Webb's prescient warnings about the inherent fragilities of the synthetic web and the need for localized, resilient digital infrastructure. It represents a fundamental re-evaluation of supply chain risk, now extending into the very core of digital intelligence. A couple of questions to consider today. If your primary AI provider was